Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Leanna here. In this edition of What's on the Porch, I was surprised that I had a Macy's box. I was like, what? Already? How did that happen? I haven't even cut it open yet. I really love these little Macy's boxes. They always bundle everything up so nice on the inside. Look at that nice little bundle. And there's a big old box under it. And a card. You can't beat that. And this time it came with a $10 off coupon. Normally it's a $5. And the value of this box is $22.32. So let's dig on into it and see what we got. The very first thing is a shower cap created for Macy's. How awesome is that? I'm going to open it up because I actually use a shower cap when I color my hair. And I just go to either Dollar Tree or Dollar General and get a cheap shower cap. This does not say who it was made by, just that it was made for Macy's. It does say to keep out of reach of children. Not intended for children under the age of 12. Don't let your kids play with your shower cap. That's a nice shower cap. It's nice and thick and it's got a nice band. This might actually work better when I color my hair than those cheap ones. Let's see if it says anything in here about it, or is it just in there for fun. I do not see anything in here about a shower cap. So let's open up my pretty little pink bundle. We have all kinds of little goodies. And some reusable paper. I don't throw this away. I save it because I can reuse it and not put it in a landfill because we have to take care of the planet. The little card says, April showers. Rain, rain, go away, but hydration is here to stay. Splash around these skin quenching picks that pack on the moisture and keep your complexion glowing from every single angle. And the first little sample is this Rituals Sakura Foaming Shower Gel. Foaming Shower Gel. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational Foaming Shower Gel. Ooh, rice milk and cherry blossom. That sounds good. It's supposed to be ultra moisturizing, jam-packed with all the good stuff your skin loves. It's the perfect way to energize for the day or even relaxing in a nighttime bath. It's only $12.50. Lather and watch the gel turn into a silky soft cleansing foam. You know how do I get it to work? So it came out as a gel and it's turning into a foam. Oh my goodness, that smells good. See it on the, you see it there? I wasted it. Oh, wow. I'm telling you, that smells really good. I'm going to have to look into that. So it turns into a foam. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. Now what am I going to do? Wipe it on my shirt. I'll just edit that part out. Man, that smells good. The next item that we have is Mineral Fusion Nail Polish Remover. Mini Nail Polish Remover. The full size of this retails for $11.99. It says, breaking news, you don't have to dry out your nails each time you change your polish. Thank goodness, because I do not like that. This is a gentle acetone-free formula. Wait, this exists? That's what it says. Easily removes even the darkest, most glittery shades of nail polish for a perfectly clean surface. That's cool. Let's see what this smells like. It has a seal on it, but we're going to break that puppy. It smells like nail polish. If you get the Macy's box and start opening stuff to sniff it, don't. I did it. You don't have to. Just, yeah, don't do that. Next, we have a Tony Moly I'm Red Wine Pore Care Sheet Mask, or a mask sheet. I don't know why they call it a mask sheet. The Tony Moly masks are really good. This retails for $3, and it says apply and leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. It says sometimes at the end of a long day, you just put your feet up and crack open a packet of your favorite red wine mask. Am I right? Really though, red wine extract reduces appearance of enlarged pores, while an enriched essence of skin goodness gives you maximum hydration. That's cool. I'm looking forward to using that. Anything to reduce the appearance of the pores, right? And then we have Clarins Body Fit Anti-Cellulite Contouring Expert. It's funny that these little Clarins, I've gotten Clarins before, and they're always super tiny. Anti-Cellulite Contouring Expert visibly smooths, firms, and lifts. What are we smoothing, firming, and lifting? Ladies and gentlemen, we have an award winner in our midst. Meet Clarins #1 Firming launch in 2017. A cream gel that instantly absorbs to lift and firm your hips and thighs, powered by Mother Nature herself. $71, and I call BS. I'm just saying. I don't think there's no. Not being negative, but there just isn't anything that's going to get rid of your cellulite. Well, you can lose weight to get rid of it, but I don't think a $71 cream is going to do that. And then we have Mario Badescu, Skincare Coconut Body Scrub. The full size of this is $16, and it says you have permission to go nuts because this body scrub smells like a literal beach vacation. Gently buff and exfoliate your skin with rosehip oil, vitamin E, and even more good ingredients that instantly rejuvenate. Does not have a seal on it. It has a very light coconut fresh smell. And it does have a little bit of grit. You can feel very, very fine grit. That smells really good. And then the last item in my box is fragrance. This is Clean Classic Rain. Is this a clean fragrance? That would be nice. The soft scent of rain in a bottle. Don't mind if we do. DEW. Water, mint, and melon take you on a botanical journey with notes of wood for a fragrance that's fresh, simple, and comforting. If you're looking for something that lingers but doesn't overwhelm, this is your ideal match. $44, which is not bad. Does it say what size for $44? It does not, and it does not say whether it's clean or not. This over here alludes to the fact that it's clean, it's cruelty-free. Cleanbeauty.com. Well, that's interesting. The way they have it here, it's a little clip. That's cute. Alright, so what we got going on here? I was testing out perfumes today. I can only imagine what I smell like. Oh, mama like. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to get some of that. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Melon, is that what it said? Melon, water, mint, and melon, yes. Do y'all remember Body Fantasy? Which you can still get Body Fantasy, but my all-time favorite ever fragrance, which was a body spray, but I didn't care. I don't care. I'm not so bougie that I have to have real perfume, was Pear Fantasy. And then they quit making it. And every once in a blue moon, you can find a bottle of that for like $100. And you used to buy it for like, what, $5? But this kind of sort of gives me that same vibe. Yeah, I'm going to have to look for some of that. My Macy's box is $15 something a month. And then you pay, the shipping is free, but you pay tax. It comes to like $15.65, $15.85, something like that. And you go to Macy's.com. I think it's /beauty box. I'll have it linked down below. Yes, I am right. The website is right there on the little hoo-ha thingy. I'm in a weird mood today, y'all. I don't know. Thanks for watching me unbox my April Macy's box. Make sure you show that like button some love if you're still here. Most of y'all have cut out by now. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need some foaming. Oh my gosh. This stuff smells so good. And you can get you some clean fragrance. Rain. Then that way when you go fishing, the fish won't know you're there. They'll just think that they smell the rain. It's like camouflage. Fishing camouflage. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.